Mga kaibigan, we have a topic today in which tapos na ho tayong humingi ng kapatawaran sa ating Amang Diyos sa langit. In which, mga kaibigan, I am just, I am not an expert here, but I would like to see what is the biggest or the best score of the Philippines we talk in the history. It is not according me, it is according to the CPI, in which this it is called a Corruption Perception Index or the World Transparency Index, mga kaibigan. So, or the World Transparency International Index, mga kaibigan, in which they can determine the score of the Philippines, mga kaibigan, about the corruptions. How being rampant in corruptions around the world. Because Philippines is the most always to be present on the ranking of the world most corrupt countries around the world. So the best score of the Philippines was on 2018. It's all about 99, mga kaibigan. And this year, 2024 and 2025, it's about 33, about 100. So it's all about 114 and about 180 countries. So that is the CPI all about. The Corruption Perception Index. If you want to determine with that, I am not an expert here. But I am done to research how the ranking of the Philippines about the corruptions. So that's why, in order to solve or to deter or to minimize that kinds of the activities here in the country, it is not all about law. It is not all about guidelines. It's about the people, the one who serve the country. Even there is a lot of laws was created about anti-corruptions and many others. If the one to serve the country, they do not think for the benefits of the country, the benefits of the law, the benefits of the people, and the benefits of the flag, or the benefits of the Philippine Constitutions, mga kaibigan. These kinds of the corruptions will be continue as to become the worst among the worst in the corruptions. And in the Philippines, it will become to mawawala. So that's why, mga kaibigan, you can understand. Not only the Philippines, because of the corruptions, the inflation will go high, and then the country will become disabled. Like for the inflations of the Zimbabwe, that does not become too high, but it is becomes of that worst corruptions. And then the Zimbabwe, even you can research the numbers of the denominations being printed around the world is only the Zimbabwe, because Zimbabwe, there is a $100 trillion was printed by the Central Bank of Zimbabwe, mga kaibigan. So that's why we do not like with that to happen here in the country because of the corruptions. There is no good benefits to the younger generations among us. So we need to pray our leaders, we need to pray our topmost creators of the law, mga kaibigan, to protect our country and to protect our boundaries, law, and the younger generations in order to be survive among us, mga kaibigan. That this country was given by God. Country of the Philippines was given by God. It is becomes of the graceful country around the world. Mind you, even Haring Solomon is considered the most wealthiest in the people of the Bible, or the wealthiest miners of the Bible, mga kaibigan. The gold was mined is from here in the upper, which is called right now is the Philippines. So that's why, mga kaibigan, you can understand, if we going to have to this kinds of evidence, this kinds of, there is nothing to evidence to show in the court, but it is the evidence of the self. How the way to serve people, how the way to treat countries. And there is a lot of slogans right now, especially because there is upcoming elections. Try to select as a good leader of this country. Mga kaibigan, I do not like to emphasize everybody, but it is all the Filipino obligations and responsibility, duties as a Filipino citizens of this country to protect against those potential abuser of the law of the country, which is the Philippine Constitutions. We do not like as a Filipino citizens, as a good law-abiding citizens of the Philippines, to abuse our Philippine Constitutions, which is the fundamental laws of the land. So mga kaibigan, just protect our rights, just protect our country and our flag and our independence as a democratic countries in the Far East. Try to understand that every laws was created in the countries. There is a protections to those who are created us, mga kaibigan. Because there is a lot of the politicians here in the country, they do not mind for the people, for the benefits of the law. And they are in their mind setting, they will run for the politics in order to earn money, because politics in the country was being emphasized or recognized as the best business around the world. That is a politics. So that's why try to understand that that kinds of the politicians who run by the elections, they will spend money, millions of money. Like for example, in the city, the number one city or the Class A city, mga kaibigan, it's about your salary, it's about 190 to 195,000, all about like that. And then you spend during the elections about 60 to 30 million. How do you get with that in order to be returned to you? It should be done to the corruptions. So it must be to stop the corruptions here in the country. It is not all about law. It is not about guidelines. It's not about everything, but it is about the mind setting and the heart of the people, which is the one who serve the country. It's not all about another country. It's all about you. It's all about you. If you do not like to corrupt the money of the ordinary taxpayer of this country, and then do it yourselves to serve the country, to serve the law, and protect the constitutional conditions of the country. Thank you so much.